Good morning, dear student. Welcome to online class, Presidency School, Patna. In the last video, we have already studied about present continuous tense. As you know that after present continuous tense comes present perfect tense. That today we are going to study about present perfect tense. As you know that the name of this tense should be cleared. The meaning of this tense, present perfect. Present perfect means the work that is finished in the present time, but its impact is going on further. So this tense is known as present perfect tense. Present perfect tense shows that an action or verb has finished but impact sustained in the present time. It means, just I told you, the work has been finished in the present time, but it impact go further. So this sentence is known as the present perfect tense. You see here a structure: subject plus have oblique has plus V3 plus OW means other words. I have just finished my work. It means a type of work that has just completed. They have already on the match. Negative: subject plus hasn't or haven't. Has plus not or have plus not is contraction form hasn't and haven't plus V3 plus other words. He has not finished homework now. Interrogative: have oblique has plus subject plus not in the bracket plus V3 plus other word plus question mark. I have already taught you in the last video why I write not in the bracket, because when we have need to write interrogative negative sentence, when I going to write interrogative negative sentence, that not should be used, and interrogative simple interrogative sentence there is no need to write not. Have you ever gone to Delhi? Haven't you got your bike repaired? This is interrogative sentence and this is interrogative negative sentence. Here is need to not and here is does not need to not. Next, WH family. WH family, it means the words that comes or starts from WH word, that is called WH family. WH have oblique has plus subject plus not in the bracket plus V3 plus other word plus question mark. Example, why has Shah Jahan got the Taj Mahal built? This sentence is a WH sentence. Next, rule. After the words like just, ever, never, already, always, use V3. As you know that these words always used in present perfect tense, like just, ever, never, already, always. These words have you seen seen where you have to use V3 with these words? Rule 2, since oblique for used present perfect tense. When we use since or for in present perfect tense, since is always used with point of time and for always used with period of time. Now we will discuss what is point of time and what is period of time. When you got a fixed point like 2 January, 5 January, 7 March, Monday, Tuesday, this is a fixed point of time. 95, 91, 2003, this is a fixed point of time. So since always used with point of time and for period of time. Period of time like 2 days, 3 days, 2 years, 4 years. This is a period of time. I have known you for the last 10 days. This is a period of time, 10 days. There is no fix where the 10 days. 10 days before, 10 days after, that is no fix. So 10 days is a period of time. I have lived in Delhi since January. January is a fixed point of time. So I used here since. Next, rule number 3. First time, second time, third time, dot dot, 4 time, 5th time, 6th time. These words used in present perfect tense, like I have seen you here first time. First time, when you see any sentence first time, that always used third forms of the verb. This sentence has been completed. Thank you.